Introducing the Bestway Flowclear AquaGlide Automatic Pool Cleaning System, the ultimate solution to keep your swimming pool sparkling clean all year round. Say goodbye to manual scrubbing and vacuuming, and hello to effortless pool maintenance. The Flowclear AquaGlide is a powerful robotic pool cleaner that's designed to effectively remove dirt, debris, and other contaminants from your pool. It's equipped with advanced technology that allows it to navigate and clean your pool's floor, walls, and waterline quickly and efficiently. This pool cleaning system is easy to install, and with its plug-and-play design, you'll have your pool cleaner up and running in no time. Simply connect the hose to your pool's pump, and let the Flowclear AquaGlide do the rest. It's designed to work with most standard pool filtration systems, making it a versatile and cost-effective solution for pool owners. With its state-of-the-art features, the Flowclear AquaGlide offers exceptional cleaning performance and reliability. In conclusion, if you're looking for an efficient and hassle-free way to keep your pool clean, the Bestway Flowclear AquaGlide Automatic Pool Cleaning System is the perfect choice. It's designed to make pool maintenance a breeze, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your pool.